In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Nutella slime. You need about half a cup of white glue. Pour it into a big bowl. Then add some brown acrylic paint to your glue. Just add a little at a time. Mix it. Then add some more until you get the Nutella color. To turn your mixture into slime, add in about half a cup of laundry detergent. Mix it really well until everything has blended together. And then use your hands to knead it. It'll be a bit messy at first, but it will come together eventually. You just have to keep kneading until it doesn't stick to your hands anymore. If it still sticks to your hands, just add in a little more laundry detergent. It should fix the stickiness. When your slime is nice and non-sticky, that's when it's ready for you to play. This is so cool, guys. It looks exactly like real Nutella, except that it's slimy. When you're done playing, just grab an empty and clean Nutella jar. Put your slime into the jar, then close the lid really tight to prevent it from drying out. And you're good to go. Okay guys, I hope you give it a try and have a lot of fun with it like I have. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.